Hello everybody, today I'm going to reveal something that's very much beloved by myself, and that is the Superman film series, the original Superman film series with Christopher Reeve. I love Superman 3, and yes, I even love Superman 4, The Quest for Peace. Today is a very special day because inside of the mail, the order that I placed on eBay for the 4K Superman box set has come inside the mail, and I'm getting ready to open it now. So let's see. Whew, man, I'm very excited about this one because this is the collector set to have if you're a Superman fan. I've probably seen these movies hundreds of times. We'll just say that, hundreds of times. The ones that I watch the most are Superman 1 and Superman 4, and I did watch Superman 2 quite a bit, and I watched Superman 3 the least, but it's my least favorite film out of the bunch. But not to say that I mean, it's okay. It's an okay movie. It has its moments, but it has some bad parts about it too. But even still, I watched that, and it's mainly due to Christopher Reeve's acting. He's the one he's the glue that is adding the cohesion to all these films that make it all work and make everything stick together. So this is the 4K Ultra HD Superman 5 film collection, 1978 to 1987. Now, I'm getting ready to answer a very big question for you guys because I want to know myself, actually. Man, please, I pray to God that this is correct. So I'm looking at the back now. All right, it doesn't say anything about any region code. So this is all fine and dandy then. And just looking at this and the bonus materials. All right, won't be able to answer that question as of yet. I guess we'll find that out after I take an individual one out of its slipcase and I take a closer look at it. I'm hoping that all of these are Blu-ray disc. Sorry, I'm hoping that all of these are 4K UHD disc, but there is the possibility that there might be some traditional Blu-rays inside of here. So if that's the case, what region code is it going to be in? Because as far as I could tell, when I was searching on the internet for this, the one with the special edition steel cases and the original movie artwork as the cover, I thought that they were only being sold inside the UK. And if you're buying this set inside the United States, then you're relegated to buying the other box set that has the non-traditional covers that were made specifically for this set. So I specifically wanted the Steelbooks and I wanted the original movie artwork. So I bought this one, and this was shipped to me from the United States. So I'm hoping that these are US region coded versions of this. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm trying to get this thing off. There we go. I don't want to break it. I really don't want to break this. I'm trying to slide this off without nothing happening to this. Gently, gently now. Okay. So this was just the... Let me put that on the camera for you guys. This was just the back that was telling everything that's on the disc itself. Show that up to the camera for you guys. Let's just go ahead and move that over to the side. And now we just have the tin can itself that has the Fortress of Solitude on the outside. And you guys can see the 5 disc on the inside. So let's go ahead and let's just pull out one. I'm going to pull out Superman the movie since that's obviously the first one. Taking a look at this Steelbook, it is the original movie poster art. Let's put that up there so that you guys can see it. And I'm getting ready to find out right now when I open this up, okay, Superman the movie, Ultra HD Blu-ray. Of course, this will work inside the United States and the UK. But if it's just a Blu-ray disc itself, okay, which I found back here inside the back, let's go ahead and take a look at this. This one says Blu-ray. And can I find out what region it is? It says USPG. That's a good sign right there. All right. I'm truly believing or under the impression that this is the US version of this special set. I was really scared thinking that this was going to be UK only. I'll have to report it back to you guys inside of another video. I will place this Blu-ray disc right here inside of my Blu-ray player, and I'll let you guys know for certain inside of a subsequent video whether this is in fact a de facto bona fide US release, or whether this is somebody from the US just selling the UK release. One more time, take a look at the original cover art, and on the back you have a Superman S with the Roman numeral 1. There is no book on the inside, but you have two discs. One is a UHD, the red one, and then you have this blue one, which is just a regular Blu-ray. So let's take a look at Superman 2. And you have the original movie poster art there. And when you flip it around, then you have the Donner cut original poster art. Opening this one up, there is a total of 4 discs inside of here. You have a Blu-ray and you have the Ultra HD of Superman 2. And when you flip it, you have the Blu-ray and the Ultra HD of Superman 2, the Richard Donner cut. Again, no books inside of any of these. Man, I'm so excited to watch this. I really am. Superman 3. There goes the original movie poster art. On the back, you have the Superman S with the Roman numeral 3. This is what the spine looks like. And again, the same thing. You have a picture of Richard Pryor in the background there, and you still have 2 discs. Well, I'm glad that they give it to you in both options, but I'm thinking I could be wrong about this because I haven't looked at any of these. I'm opening up and looking at it at the same time as you, but I'm thinking that the Ultra HD is just going to be the movie only, and I'm thinking that all the special features, if there is any, is going to be on the Blu-ray disc and not the Ultra HD UHD Blu-ray disc. Superman 4 original cover art, and on the back the Superman S with the Roman numeral 4, and there goes the spine if that shows up at all. All right, that's what that looks like. Got your villain Lex Luthor there, Gene Hackman. And I want to know what this is. This is Superman Collectibles. That's what it says on the spine. And you got Action Comics issue number 1 there. And just the Superman logo on the back. And when you open this one up, I got a digital code for, I'm not going to show that to you, but I got a digital code for downloading these movies. And I got a comic book in here. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. If I could get this out of here without damaging this. Check that out. Superman 78. On the back it says Superman 78, issue number 1. Wow, this is so cool, man. All right, I'll take a look at this at some point in the future. if I could just flip a few pages for you guys. I don't know which camera is going to be best. Oh, I could see that Brainiac is in here. That's so cool. Let me see if I could show that to you guys real quick. Not every page, but just thumbing through it and just letting it land on whatever page it comes out to. But that is so cool. All right. Oh, man. Uh-oh. This is cool. All right, I got some cards inside of here. I'm not sure if I want to open this up just yet. I might or I might not. But right here, Certificate of Authenticity. I got number 3,471 of 13,525. I hope that shows up on camera. I hope these white lights are not too bright. That's blowing this out, and I hope you guys can read that. But yeah, that is so cool. All right, so there's actually no disc. Look at me slamming into the microphone there. There's actually no disc inside of this. It's just these collectible cards, the Certificate of Authenticity, the Superman comic book, and the download code, redemption code. Let me cover that up with my finger, but that's what that looks like. I hope that shows up, but probably not. That's pretty cool, man. That is so cool. I'm sorry for this terrible unboxing. I'm just doing this off the cuff. I just wanted to show these things off real quick because, man, I just want to take a look at them immediately. Wow. I'll get back to you guys inside of a subsequent video and let you know if the Blu-ray is, in fact, the US version, and hoping that this is not an import from the UK, because on my Blu-ray player, because it's region B, meaning the UK is region B, I wouldn't be able to play this on my region A player unless I go out and buy a region-free Blu-ray player, which I don't want to do just to watch these movies, but it is what it is. I got the 4K versions, but if they happen to only put the special features on just the Blu-ray disc, then that's going to leave me out of luck. So, hoping it all works out just fine. But I'm so happy to have finally put in the money and got this. This month, I just decided to splurge because I owned no 4K UHD disc. And I just decided I don't want to start a whole new collection of discs because I already have 500 DVDs that I don't really watch. So I said, why don't I just go ahead and just buy only my most beloved 4K movies, just the top 30 movies that I watch over and over and over and over again, and nothing else. Not buying anything just for the fact that it's new, but only buying it because I truly love it and I watched it hundreds of times already. And the Superman film collection is one of those things that I watch hundreds of times. So this warranted a purchase from me. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Salute to you wherever you may be out inside the world, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until next time, keep it classy. I'm out.